Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show to you how to put NordVPN on your TV. So basically the first step is to download the NordVPN app for Android TV from their official website and install it. You can also find NordVPN on Google Play. Once the application has finished installing, tap to open. You will see the main menu of the application. Select login to use your existing NordVPN account or sign up if you need to create a new account. And keep in mind that I have a link in this video description that will get you a huge deal on any paid plans on NordVPN. So make sure to check that out and sign up for a new account. You're gonna get a huge discount. Now, moving on, if you have clicked sign up, you'll see a QR code. Scan it with your smartphone and wait for the Nord account page to load. Once the page has loaded, complete the registration process. Log into NordVPN on your TV with your account. So, like in the screenshot below, you'll receive a number for remote validation on your phone, laptop, or PC. Alternatively, you can simply scan the QR code. You may be greeted with a few warning messages. These are default Android warning messages for VPN connection. It is safe to continue. In some cases, you may be required to mark a checkbox in the pop-up window. And you're gonna see something similar to this. You'll have to simply select OK, and that's all. That's how you can set up NordVPN on your TV. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.